So in the digestive system, as I mentioned, we have glands. Examples of glands are the salivary glands. They are situated near the mouth. They pass their secretions using a duct that ends in the mouth, and these secretions contain amylase. Amylase is an enzyme responsible for the hydrolysis of starch into maltose. Another gland is the pancreas. It is found below the stomach, and it produces pancreatic juice. It secretes this pancreatic juice containing proteases, which are enzymes that hydrolyze proteins, lipases, which are enzymes that hydrolyze lipids, and amylase that hydrolyzes starch. These enzymes help with the chemical digestion. However, digestion is both a physical as well as a chemical process. When we talk about the physical process, we are talking about physically breaking down the large food sample into its smaller pieces, using structures like the teeth, as well as the muscles found in the digestive system. This is important because when we break down large food globules into smaller components, this makes them have a larger surface area. There is more space for chemical digestion, more surface for the enzymes to act on. Enzymes do this through catalyzing reactions called hydrolysis. And hydrolysis is the splitting up of molecules by adding water to the chemical bonds that hold them together. Enzymes are specific, and more than one enzyme is needed to hydrolyze a large molecule. So a large molecule is hydrolyzed by an enzyme into smaller sections, and each of these smaller sections is hydrolyzed by a different enzyme into even smaller sections, and so on. The enzymes found in the digestive system are the carbohydrases, the lipases, and the proteases.